Hey guys, Timothy Thomas here. Wanted to get up here, guys, and talk quickly about the instant postcard web system, guys. This thing continued to pump out payments each and every day. Super excited about what this program has done. A big welcome to all the new team members, guys. Just had a payment come in yesterday. Got another payment coming in today, and I got to get out the office here. But I want to get a quick video up, guys, and just show you this thing is exciting and will be a great program, I believe, for the next 10, 15 years. It delivers endless $98 payments, monthly residual payments directly to your bank account each and every day. Guys, we're going to listen to Tony in just a moment on this video as he talk about this program. Guys, this program is a way that the average person can plug and play. You can plug in, mail simple postcards, guys. How does the system work? Read over this website, guys. Become familiar with it. Learn, guys, just by putting a stamp on a postcard and a name label on a pill and stick label on a postcard, guys, using the leads that we tell you to use, you can get the right to sell this program over and over and over again. Guys, this is an example. It's just that simple as 1, 2, 3. This is an example of what you can achieve with this program, just mailing simple postcards. Super excited about this. Guys, postcards is where it's at. We are marketing this program and the automated income system, guys. I just posted a video yesterday about the $3,500 level. Guys, that's going to be incredible. Mailing postcards work. Listen to the testimonial video right here as to what you can get mailing postcards. You can mail out cheap postcards from the comfort of your home. If you answered yes, guys, you can make money with this proven money-making system. Super excited about it, folks. And it's a proven way for you can make money from the comfort of your home. Here is a payment, guys, that just came in yesterday. Monthly membership. The next bill is going to be on the 18th. Here it goes. Timothy Thomas, you received a payment for the IPCW. For the IPW membership, basic membership came in yesterday, 1 day ago. Another payment's coming in today, guys. These payments come in every day. Super excited about that. Now, guys, also with Postcard Cash Machine, the $100 postcard, guys. Look, Fannie Elliott. Welcome, Fannie, to the program. She's sending a payment today, the 19th. Guys, y'all just seen proof of $720 that came in through the mailbox. The day ain't over, and it ain't even 5 o'clock p.m. And guys, here's 2 more $100 payments coming in, a $98 payment, another $100 payment coming in, guys, on today. Absolutely incredible, guys. You're looking at about $1,000 a day mailing cheap postcards from the comfort of your home. Here's the postcard site you can go to, www.profitwithsam.com. Enter your name, address in the field here, guys, and it will show you where to go and how to get signed up with the postcards. Guys, we're going to listen to this quick video from Tony, and he's going to give you a rundown of the program, and I'll come back to you, and we'll close the video out.
Hi, welcome back. Glad you decided to join me here to get some more information. Now I'm just going to kind of let you in on a little bit of a few little things here before I can let you, go through the website here and get all the information. First of all, I want you to pay close attention and make sure you read this entire website top to bottom, word for word. Okay, take your time with it. Read it twice if you have to. Everything's there. It's going to show you income examples, what you can expect, as far as sending out your postcards, as far as the response rate, profit-wise, and all that. Okay. One of the things that I want to mention, as I mentioned on the previous video, is you're going to have some exclusive things, being that you're on my team, and you know you're on my team because of the fact that you're watching this video with me in it. Okay, so just to give you a little bit of a breakdown here of some of the things that you're going to get that you won't get elsewhere. Okay, first of all, there's an exclusive $150 bonus item that I'm going to give you with full resale rights just for being a part of the team. And this one thing alone will actually increase your profit anywhere from 30 to 50%, believe it or not, just by having access to it. And this is for people that don't have any online access at all. Maybe they're interested in the business but can't access the internet. I give you an actual 100% offline version of this exact business. Okay, that's my creation that I'm just kind of handing over to you with full resale rights, and that's all included. You'll know what to do with it once you're on board. And like I said, whether you use it or not, it's up to you, but that's something that I'm giving you at no cost. Okay. Now, more importantly, The biggest thing in this business, and this is kind of what determines whether you fail or not, is having the right tools, the right mailing list, and so forth. I have exclusive mailing lists that I personally use that are getting me good response, and you're going to have access to these mailing lists. Okay. Now, when you sign up, you're going to get instant access to an e-guide right online. You're going to have a members area, like a back office there, that's going to tell you step by step how to get everything all set up. Okay, but in addition to that, you'll receive an email, a welcome email from me, and it's going to have video training. I'm, me giving you like tutorials, just explaining to you step by step, not only how to get started, but tips and tricks on what to do, what not to do, what I found that works for me since I got involved 9 months ago. Okay, because I'm going on a year here, and there was a lot of trial and error when I got started to kind of really tweak it and get it down to a science so that it works just as smoothly as possible to increase the profit margin, get the highest conversions, and so forth. And so I'm going to give you all that training in addition to you having, your step-by-step, your e-guide, giving you full instructions. You'll have 24 different postcard templates that will come with the e-guide. I'm going to personally give you my own postcard templates, like 6 or 7 of them, that work well for me, and on that we'll also have a pre-recorded message. Most likely you listen to the message, and that's kind of what brought you here, and that's what the whole intention there was, to make this completely automated. So once you have everything all set up, which you can pretty much do in a day, okay, you're just sending out postcards, and people are getting the postcards, they're looking at it, they're listening to the pre-recorded message, it's enticing them to go to the website, they see me explaining a little bit, just like you did, coming here, you're getting their information, you get on board, you start making money, okay? It's really that simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things or overthink it. It really, really is as simple as it sounds, okay? So you're going to have all that stuff, all my training, full-on training, so that you literally just give the same training over to your people when they sign up, so you don't have to really do anything as far as,
Team, that's powerful. All this is in the back office.
Answering a lot of questions after people get signed up. How do I do this? How do I do that? I walk you through all of it, step by step. Really simple, okay? In addition, like I mentioned already, there's an additional income stream that you're going to have made available to you only because, 1, you're on my team, and 2, because you're watching this video, okay? And this additional income stream, I just want to give you an example. In the 9 months that I've been in, I'm actually making more money in the back-end business, okay, than I am with the postcard business, which is just amazing. So you're going to have access to that. You're going to be able to save up to 50% on all the things that you buy. I mean, in fact, when you see this other business that you could be making income off of, it's going to blow your mind. But that's not until you get on board. It's part of my training, okay? No, it doesn't cost a lot more money or anything like that. That's the best part about it. But it's the leverage. It pays out 100% and literally pays down like infinite levels as your people that you bring into the business start growing their business. You'll actually be receiving money from their sign-ups on down the line. Okay, so really, really incredible stuff. So again, just take your time on this page. Everything is here for you, okay? It explains it A to Z, okay? If you have questions, as long as you left the correct email address on the first page, you'll have full contact information on your sponsor that introduced you to the business, so you can email them back any questions you have before you get started and all that. Everything that you've seen every step of the way, between the postcards, the pre-recorded message, that first page that you just filled out your information, that's going to be accessible to you to have that same page. This identical page right here, tailored for you, you will have as well. So this is the same process that everyone, it's purely 100% duplicatable, okay? That's all I'm going to say.
Guys, you're going to get the exact same page right here to market. This is your page. It's going to be your information at the bottom, your contact information, and they will contact you for details. Got questions? Email us now. Okay, here you go. When they get ready to click the order, this is what they're going to come to. They're going to come to a page like this. Here's the contact information. You can contact Red Wilson, Timothy Thomas, guys. This is the page to contact. You can pay via credit card, PayPal, however you see fit to pay. Guys, this is power. Let's finish the video.
for now, so just go ahead and get all the information and get back with your sponsor. Yes, it works. I mean, like I said, I'm going on a year here, and it's, I mean, if I can do it, anybody can. 'Cause like I said, I haven't been in the home-based business industry in over 15 years. I just started. The main key is just staying consistent, sticking with it, and in your case, you don't even have to worry about a lot of trial and error because I did all that. You know, I'm telling you straight up what works and what doesn't. So, again, go through the site. Hope you enjoy it, and I'm sure I'll see you on the other side. Take care.
Awesome, guys. This is an easy, duplicatable system. If you can mail a postcard, you can be successful, guys. It's the way of the rat race, a legitimate opportunity, and I am stoked. I'm so super excited about it. Guys, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Reach out, ask me any questions you may have. This website does all sell and tell explaining for you, so you never have to. And we'll go from there. Guys, give the video a thumbs up, like the video, share it, pass it along. And we look forward to bringing you another great video. Subscribe to the channel again and hit the notification bell for video updates. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now.